Hello and welcome to Zulf Photography. In this episode, Zulf asks Reddit questions. The photography related questions, and today's question I asked to Reddit was what not to say to professional photographers. So along the lines of the worst things you can say. Reddit is a great community of photographers. I ask a number of questions and I get you the responses on video so we can all have a look and see and learn. Here we go. The worst thing to say to a photographer. 15 comments. Thank you everybody that responded. Okay guys, it's midweek. Let you what? Let yourself rent here. Let yourself look at that spelling mistake. Sorry. Okay, let yourself rent here. I will get the ball rolling with. You must have a great camera. Don't say that to a photographer. Okay, what else we got? We have a party next week. Bring your camera. Oh okay, why do you need all that big heavy crap? I get great pics with my phone. When working with agencies, my client hasn't paid me, so I can't pay you. Oh no, yes, okay. Rogue 86 Photog. I hear you, mate. Okay, I know you charge for a half day at time, but what if the project takes less time than that? Or they sign my contract, pay my 30% deposit, then as soon as I give them fully edited watermark samples and they never call me back. Also, there's these are low res previews. Please don't use these for anything, the photographer says to the client. They are just to show you how the set is coming along. They are not finished yet. Don't use them. 10 minutes later, scrolling through Instagram, all over their feed. Boom. Oh god, I know, I hear you. And the worst thing is when they add bloody filters on there. Okay, if I had a camera like that, I'd take great image pictures too. Good entry. Yes, okay. Your camera takes great pictures. Can you send the pictures without all the lettering all over watermarks? Can you send all of the pictures to my phone so I can put them on the gram and put some filters on? My fill-in family member or friend, my dog, has one of those fancy cameras. Why do you charge so much? Damn, I'm friggin' just typing this. Yes, I hear you. Let me give you a little up. Okay, you only have to click a button up. I've read that a few times. Did you take these with your phone? Ooh, if they say that to a professional photographer, either they're not professional or I won't go into it. I'll just read them. I won't give you any. Okay, can you just give all of the raw files after the shoot? I'll just edit them myself. Probably wouldn't know where to start, would they? Probably got any software to that good one. Yep, got this one. I actually laughed when I heard this one the first time. Has anyone actually done it? How do you explain raw files to clients? You're never supposed to give out the raw files. User 9 says. One time I had someone ask me to text them the raw files. What? What is that? Nice shots. What DSLR do you have? Breaks my heart every time. Yes. Okay, a few here. Good one. Thank you, UFO Universe. And he says, doing commercial shoots of any kind, I could shoot it myself, client saying, but I have to be somewhere. We have a camera you can use to make it cheaper. So what else do you do? What is your real job? Clients who want my resume rather than my real portfolio. Clients who ask what gear I use as it matters, or as if they know what any of it means. Or the millions of times any photographers or videographers I have worked for assume that because I'm young that I've literally just picked up the camera and only recently started doing anything. It doesn't bother me. I actually like when people know a cell phone couldn't possibly take that picture because many people are starting to think that nobody needs manual controls or a camera at all. That is the dirty Jersey saying that. I do have a good camera. It's not a phone which no buttons that makes manual control obnoxiously difficult. I get great reviews which with just my trusty Ricoh GR, hardly top of the line SR, but it's quality and gets out the way to get good photos, candid or otherwise. So this was a Reddit, and I asked a question in Ask Photography. You know what? Let me know in the comments the worst thing to say to a photographer, or even the worst things that clients have said to you if you are a photographer. It'd be interesting to see. This is part of my playlist for Ask Reddit Photography questions. So check out these other videos and hopefully you'll have a laugh too. See you on the next one.